Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Time of Giving. It has several sentiments that are about Christmas and Thanksgiving. There's also a couple of snowflakes and dots, and it comes in a bundle with this die set that's absolutely probably imperative for if you're going to make tags this Christmas. Now there is some leaves that we'll cut out. We're not doing any die cutting. I just wanted to share with you this bundle because I think it's going to be overlooked. So I'm inking up the thankful sentiment, and I know that my country's Thanksgiving has already come and gone, but I know that the Americans it's this weekend. So this is my Thanksgiving card for you guys, I guess. So I inked up the word thankful in early espresso. I don't normally use that brown. It's super dark, rich, a beautiful neutral. And then the three colors that I have here are Bumblebee, Pumpkin Pie, and Cajun Craze. So all kind of that turning yellow, browny colors. Most of the deciduous trees here in Canada, or where I live anyway, they have lost their leaves already. We had our first snowfall just a little while ago. I do apologize for that noise. I forgot to turn off my telephone. Whoopsies. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing here. I have my stamp, my image, my leaves image on my block, and I'm inking up with my daubers. So I have a dedicated dauber for every color, and this is a very easy way of getting multiple colors on a stamp. So really simple technique. All right, so I have this gingham ribbon, and it is a Bumblebee ribbon. I'm pretty sure it's still available for purchase. I will have to check on that. You can check in the description box below. I'll link it if it is, and if it's not, then I won't. This is tear tape. I love this technique of running the tear tape along the ribbon so that I get full adhesive behind, and that ribbon is now a sticker. I will trim that off, and then I will place that probably about an inch from the bottom. I want it right underneath the thankful sentiment. And I didn't want too much bulk. I like Mondays being more of a simple look, but beautiful nonetheless. I feel that just because it's a simple card does not mean it has to be ugly, right? Like, I think people poo-poo simple cards because we can all do all those fancy folds and many layered cards. But you know what? It is sometimes all you want is the stamp set and a little ribbon and, you know, that sort of thing. So I did adhere the ribbon down about an inch from the bottom, and now I am tying a bow right on the roll so that I don't waste too much ribbon. And I tightened it, and I really like teeny tiny little bows. So that's where this one came in. All right, so here comes my early espresso card base. Like I said, I don't use this color very often, so I have a nice supply of it. And I think it's kind of appropriate for fall and the autumnal feel. I'm putting my favorite adhesive on, and then I will put the front page, I guess you call that the card front, on the card base, a little mini glue dot, and attach that bow right to the gingham ribbon there. And then, so that's like a faux bow. So really simple to do. I'm going to bring in my ribbon scissors. They are our paper snips that have never touched paper. I have made a mindset never to do paper with those little snips. Folding the card base over, and then I realized because this is a dark cardstock, we should put a little piece of white on the inside, and then that's too plain. And I'm thinking I'm gonna try to start doing the inside of cards or envelopes. So this is my It's like a New Year's resolution, but it's happening now. So I just inked up with Bumblebee. And now this is a nice little technique. If you just wanted to, say you didn't stamp correctly, or you daubed a spot that you didn't get, or, you know, omitted by accident, just go over it with your Wink of Stella. You're going to move the ink just a little. It has had a time to dry, so it's not going to be completely messed about. But if you can just sort of move that and, you know, pick up some of the colors and, you know, just make it a little bit more special. And of course, Wink of Stella always makes everything more special. So there you go. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.